Hello students, let us take another problem in 1D motion. This problem has appeared in JEE 2021 and it is a fairly very easy problem. Okay, just because it has appeared in JEE, I have made it 1.25, but it is generally a easier problem, 1 to 1.25 in between that. Okay, the problem goes something like this. A scooter accelerates from rest for time t1 at a constant rate a1 and then retards at a constant rate a2 for time t2 and then comes to rest. The correct value of t1 by t2 is. So you have a vehicle, a scooter, which is going and accelerating for time t1 at a rate of a1. We are not sure about what is the distance, right? Because a1 and a1, the value of a1 makes the distance here, and retards again for a2, okay, for time t2. So when it reaches here, it reaches the velocity here v. Here it is 0 velocity. I will use without any as a vector. I will not use. Okay, so I'll really delete that and I'll use only as small v. Okay, and then it goes back to 0. So velocity goes from the 0 to the maximum, which is v, and then again retards by. So here one of the things what happens is we have to take v is equal to u plus at, right? So now v minus u is equal to a into t, right? Now here if you consider in the first part what is happening, the amount by which it increases, the amount by which this increases equal to the amount by which the velocity decreases in the second half. So first half it increases by v minus u, the same amount it decreases by v minus u. So we will take the magnitude so that we don't have to worry about plus and minus. So v minus u magnitude, which is v minus 0, okay, v minus 0 is equal to a t, either it can be a1 t1 or it is equal to a2 t2. Hope you get the point. Okay, so the amount of increase is equal to the amount of decrease, right? And it is equal to a1 t1 divided is equal to a2 t2. This only, this small thing only gets you the answer. T1 by t2 is equal to a T1 by T2 is equal to A2 by A1. Very, very simple. If you understand the basics, JEE questions, some of the JEE questions are very, very easy. It's very important for us to see which is the easiest problem in JEE. The one which is the easiest one, picking that is excellence. Okay, to get higher marks, one of the things what you have to do is first is that you have to get the easiest question first and then go for the tougher questions. Okay, so I hope you have understood this, students. Now here the amount by which it goes, the distance by which it goes, what does it depend upon? Does it depend on acceleration? For example, if in which case if a1 is greater than a2, does it imply s1 is greater than s2? Okay, or a2 is greater than a1 means s1 is greater than s2? This is a question you have to think. Second point here is when you consider time, see, next one is s is equal to ut plus half at square. So the thinking we have to have is, if the velocity which has come is the same, distance, will it be different? Something to worry about, something to think about. Okay, so we may have similar problems later on in my series of videos. I hope you'll enjoy this video, students. Happy learning. Thank you.